In this video, I'm going to show you how to block all ads from your phone for a lifetime. Sometimes when you try opening an app on your phone, you'll notice there are a series of ads that is running on it. For example, when we try clicking on this app here, you could see there is an ad that is going on, which is quite disturbing and frustrating. And maybe you have already tried downloading an app on your Play Store that will help block these ads, but it's not working. In this episode, I'm going to show you some sure way of how to block these ads. Before I show you how to block these ads, let me demonstrate an example. When you try clicking this icon and you are prompted with an ad, when I navigate into my phone and toggle this on and move back into my app, now there is no ad that is running here. So in order to install this, we have to locate our browser. I'm using Chrome browser. Don't worry, you can open your browser app on your phone. In the address bar, type google.com and hit search. In the search engine, type AdGuard Premium APK and hit search. Make sure to pick the one with this best match. I will also leave the link in the description. From there, scroll down to locate download. You'll be prompted with a lot of download links. Make sure to pick any of them. In my case, I'm gonna pick the second one. You have to proceed to download. I've already downloaded it, but I'm going to download it again. Allow it a moment to finish downloading. After that, proceed to open, then install. After installation, proceed to open again. This time around, an interface like this will open. Proceed to toggle this on. Then from there, move to that app. And now try browsing to open any app that you want. You will not be prompted with any ads. You can proceed to start using the app. After opening this app, when we navigate back to the AdGuard and open it, you could see it has blocked at least 69 ads that were potentially to be shown to us, and for any trackers it has blocked 42. So this app will not be able to track you and do anything, and it has saved you 1.27 megabyte of data. If this is your first time to this channel, consider subscribing. Let me know your experience using the other ad blocks on your Play Store in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye bye.